What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So at the moment I'm in the 1.5 million luxury villa. This is a white Audi convertible behind me, and I want to spit some truth. You won't see this in a million years on YouTube or social media. So some of you have seen the videos I've been releasing for the past 2 days. The luxury lifestyle, raw, unedited, no filters, everything raw for you guys, showing you what the truth really looks like. Now the thing is, guys, is that when we were kids, we had this $1 million dream, and this is not just for the million. This is for the people who are on Instagram and social media. You know, they look at these posts or even on YouTube, the self-claimed millionaires that come out and say, I'm a millionaire, buy my course. You know, they try to show you these luxury things, the lifestyle. By the way, before I begin, just to say, if you want this, you can have it. Nothing is stopping you. You work hard and you're persistent, you will have this. But wait till you hear what I have to say. So, all of this noise, all of this marketing, all of these pictures, videos on social media and Facebook telling you that this is what your life should look like, this is what life is really is all about. And they don't come out and tell you that this is only what the camera shows you. They don't tell you that, you know, this is leased. They don't tell you that this is just for the video purposes. They don't tell you that this is just for, you know, the photo purposes. We leased this, we got this just so we can shoot with it. They don't tell you these things. They don't, right? And now that you're looking at how Audi convertible behind me, you're like, yeah, this guy must be successful. I'm gonna listen to him. And here's the problem. You do the same thing with these social media posts. You go, oh, this guy must be a millionaire, I'm gonna follow him. Or this guy must be somebody, I'm gonna follow him, right? So the thing is, when I was a kid, and this is a message to myself, I started depressing myself over these things. I had this $1 million dream, and I chased that dream. And you know, I came out here to experience these things, and I experienced it, and now I'm telling you right now, this is not what you want, right? Maybe you want the car, but you definitely don't want this luxury villa. This is what artists, celebrities do, is buy these things, right? But if you're self-made and you really worked hard, and I mean worked hard day and night, you're gonna respect money more. Because the reality of things is you're not gonna land 2 million or a 30 million contract in a year. No. In a lifetime, you might make 5 million, right? Let's say, or 10 million, whatever, depending how big your dream is. But I'm telling you right now, the $1 million dream we all have as kids, you know, is an illusional one. Because some of us have this idea that when you become a millionaire, you know, you get all these nice cars, you get the big villa, and you're just living like a king. And then you come out here, you experience this, and you're like, nah, I don't want this. Because you're gonna have more expenses, right? And then you're gonna spend all the money you're working for on those expenses. And that's why you come out and say, but why are millionaires and the rich so stingy? Well, they're not stingy, they're just educated, they're smart enough. They don't do stupid things like this. The people around me, the people who own these villas, they don't actually live in them. They rent them out to the middle class so they can come out and experience the lifestyle or to act rich, right, for a holiday. So what they're doing is, the rich, the people that own these property, they use these as investment tools, and you see them in 2-bedroom apartments, right? So this doesn't satisfy them. And you'll understand when you make it, and I promise you, you will make it if you work hard. I promise you one thing, there's no outcome but success if you work hard. But I'm telling you right now that this thing that we depress ourselves over when, you know, we're kids, or not even kids, until today on Instagram, we look at these, and it's not even about wealth, it's about fitness, it's about makeup, it's about body image, all of this. It's what the camera shows you, but they don't tell you that I live just like you, right? And I guarantee you, if you ask a social influencer who is honest, he will tell you that, yes, I don't live like this every day. This is just for marketing purposes, let's say. So those 2 days that I showed you those videos, guys, it was to prove to you that I'm living it, yet I want to come out and talk about it, because obviously you're going to say, how can you talk about it when you're not living it? So I said, okay, let's live it so I can come out and talk about it. And now hopefully you understand where I'm coming from. I'm not trying to demotivate you, I'm just trying to put you on the right path. Like I said, once you become a millionaire, there's no way, and this is the lifestyle I'm experiencing, there's absolutely no way you're going to fill that hole without purpose. So have that purpose, And whatever money you make today, right, you're gonna be satisfied. You can make the salary you're making 9 to 5 and you're gonna be happy if you're making it running a business. Matter of fact, call yourself a millionaire today if you have a business or you're doing something that the others aren't doing. Because that's really the new definition of a millionaire, is to work for yourself. And the million will be made in the background. So it's time to start questioning things, guys. Don't just look at things and be like, yep, this is the reality. No, this is social media. So I'll see you again for another, guys. It's like always, hopefully I explained myself in this video. Hopefully you understand where I'm coming from with this video. Peace and love, just like always.